Good morning, student. Today we continue the last topic of our chapter number 9, that is working capital and factor affecting the choice of working capital. Working capital, that means the capital that we need from day to day operation is known as working capital. For example, to cash in hand, marketable securities, bill receivable, debtors, finished goods inventory, work in progress, raw material, and prepaid expenses. These assets, as noted earlier, are expected to get converted into cash or cash equivalent within a period of 1 year. These provide liquidity to the business. An asset is more liquid if it is can be converted into the cash quicker and without the reduction in the value. Insufficient investment in the current assets may make it more difficult for organization to make it payment obligation. However, these assets provide the little or low return, hence a balance need to be struck between liquidity and the profitability. Current liabilities are those payment and obligation which are due for the payment within a 1 year. That means which are paid by the organization within 1 year is known as current liabilities. And such as bills payable, creditor, outstanding expenses, advances received from the customers. Some part of the current asset is usually financed through the short term, just like the rest is financed through the long term sources. So net working capital, we calculated that current assets minus current liabilities, that is NWC, that is net working capital, is calculated as current assets minus current liabilities. The rest of the amount is known as net working capital. Okay. There are some factors that affected the requirement of the working capital. The first is same nature of the business, which kind of business you are running. That if you are running a manufacturing industry, you need a more working capital because you need cash to buy a raw material, you need a cash for upgradation of the technology, you need a cash for the production cycle. Sale of operation. The next is for organization which operates on a higher scale. That means if you are running a large scale enterprises, a large scale manufacturing industry, then the requirement of your working capital is huge. Business cycle. बिजनेस साइकिल दैट मीन्स व्हेन योर बिजनेस इज एट द बूम. जैसे वूलन क्लॉथ्स है तो विंटर्स में वहाँ पर उसे कम वर्किंग कैपिटल की ज़रूरत होगी बिकॉज दे आर गुड इज सोल्ड ऑन कैश बेसिस. बट इन समर बिकॉज द डिमांड इज सो लो, वहाँ पर वर्किंग कैपिटल जो है हाई होगी. ओके, एट द टाइम ऑफ बूम we need less amount of working capital, or at the time of the recession we need a high working capital. Seasonal factors. Most business have some seasonality in their operation. In peak season, because of higher level of activity, large amount of working capital is required. As against this level of activity as well as the requirement of working capital will be lower during the lean season. The next is production cycle. For example, when their production needs a time period to convert the raw material into the goods, for example, liquor, such examples are sugar industry, because it have to go 1 to 3 production cycles and 1 to 3 level of production, so its duration is long. So long duration needs high working capital, low duration need, that means जहाँ पर finished good easily converted into the finished good, then working capital requirement is less. Credit allowed and credit availed. Credit allowed, that means आपको कितने दिनों का उधार आप लोगों को देते हैं. If you are giving a 1 month, or in your business you are giving the credit of the 2 month, okay, तो वहाँ पर अगर आपको इतने दिनों का होता है तो आपको वर्किंग कैपिटल हाई चाहिए. if you sell on cash basis, the working capital requirement is लो. क्रेडिट अवेल, जस्ट अ फर्म अलाउ क्रेडिट टू इट्स कस्टमर. अगर यहाँ पर आपको क्रेडिट अलाउड का मतलब हो गया आपको कितने दिन का उधार मिलता है. ओके, क्रेडिट अलाउड का मतलब है आपको कितने दिन का उधार मिलता है. यदि आपको 6 मंथ्स का क्रेडिट मिल जाता है देन यू नीड अ लो. इफ़ यू परचेज ऑल द मटेरियल ऑन द कैश बेसिस देन यू नीड अ हाई कैश. और नेक्स्ट आ गया क्रेडिट अवेल्ड. आप अपने कस्टमर को कितने दिन का उधार देते हैं. इफ़ यू आर गिविंग देम credit on the long term basis for like 3 to 4 months, then you need a high amount of huge amount of working capital. On the other hand, if you have a if your sale is on cash basis, then you need a low working capital. Operating efficiency. Firm manage their operations with varied degrees of efficiency. For example, a firm managing its raw material efficiently may be able to manage with a smaller balance. This is reflected in a higher inventory turnover ratio. Similarly, a better debtor turnover ratio may be achieved reducing the amount tied up in receivable. Better sale efforts may reduce the average time of which finished goods inventory is held. Such deficiencies may reduce the level of raw material, finished goods and debtors, resulting in the lower requirement of working capital. Availability of the raw material less. If your raw material is easily available, then low working capital. If the raw material is the seasonal, just like a sugar cane, sugar industry have to maintain the 1 to 2 years 1 to 2 year raw material stock. So this kind of industry need a huge amount of working capital. Growth prospect. If the growth potential of the concern is perceived to be higher, it will require larger amount of working capital so that it is able to meet higher production and sale targets whenever is required. Level of competition. When there's so much level of competition is there, a lot of seller of the same material is there, then you need a huge working capital. Inflation. Inflation होती है महंगाई. Yes, if your inflation is affected your business, then you require a huge amount of working capital, otherwise you get a less amount. So this is the topic of today, and in the next video we are discussing the next chapter, that is about financial market. Okay, bye bye.